Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play War Thunder on controller. First, connect your favorite controller to your gaming system. Once connected, launch War Thunder and head straight into the game's control settings menu. From there, you will need to select controller as your main input method. You can then choose from several pre-configured layouts or start customizing your buttons to perfectly suit your playstyle. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience. Now, let's dive into the essential flight controls. Your left analog stick is key for maneuvering, handling both pitch and roll to guide your aircraft through the skies. The right analog stick usually manages your camera, allowing you to look around your cockpit and track targets. For speed adjustments, the left trigger or a specific button will control your throttle. Rudder inputs, vital for fine-tuning turns, are commonly assigned to your shoulder buttons, giving you precise control. When it comes to combat, your right trigger is typically assigned to firing your primary weapons, unleashing a barrage on your foes. You can switch between different weapon types, such as cannons or rockets, using a dedicated button. To engage targets effectively, press the designated target lock button to acquire an enemy. And remember, if you find yourself under attack, quickly deploy countermeasures like flares or chaff to evade incoming missiles and stay in the fight. To truly master War Thunder with a controller, consider these advanced tips. Fine-tune your sensitivity settings to achieve the most precise control over your aircraft. Don't hesitate to experiment with various button mappings until you find a layout that feels completely natural and comfortable for you. Utilizing the relative control option can also provide smoother and more intuitive aiming. Finally, dedicate some time to practicing in custom battles. This is the best way to solidify your skills and dominate the skies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.